I first want to thank Cal State Dominguez Hills for all the work that they've done and all the bright young students who made this possible under the direction of Dr. Hamden. They've done an incredible job of producing over 1,000 PPEs, personal protection equipment, for our frontline medical professionals.
Like President Parham, I'm extremely proud of our CSU Dominguez Hills family for their response to the health crisis. I'm proud of our students, our staff, our faculty, and our leadership team. This is what CSU Dominguez Hills is all about. This is who we are, and this is what we do when faced with challenges, no matter how enormous the challenges are. Please know that no virus can separate our Toro family and our Toro nation, and this virus can't either.
As patients, you deserve a clean mask and a clean face shield every single time that we step into your room. We are dedicated to providing both effective and safe care and to keeping our county healthy. We are proud to serve Los Angeles, and we work hard every day for you.
I am very touched by the mobilization of this community to protect our patients and us as well. Not only recognizing that by hitting the ground running and being prepared, we lead an example. This donation gives me hope and the energy to fight another day. Thank you again on behalf of CIR, which is the Committee of Interns and Resident Physicians, and SCIU. Thank you so much.
These shields will provide that protection for those men and women who show up every day to do the work that is so badly needed.